Okay, I'm changing my mind again. We're gonna go with Purple Haze because it's just so iconic, um, and it also picks up a lot of the themes from manic depression, where basically the struggle is with the crumbling of reality, basically. So there's this, in this case, the narrator is just things are as lately things don't seem the same, and then goes from sort of the seems like it's quite a banal thing to say. It's like, oh, things don't really seem very stable. Oh, I'm going to kiss the sky. It's like, whoa, so it's like it's appears to be, and is taken by many people to be a drug song because it's just so extreme, go from these extremes. And because he says, the sixth line, don't know if I'm coming up or down, am I happy or in misery. But then it also seems to be a love song because it's the girl put a spell on me. I think what's important here is that it's really more about the shattering of a mindset, that where the world is no longer the stable place it was, and what it is now. You get this, you got me blowing my mind. Is it tomorrow or just the end of time? So again, there's this apocalyptic sensibility, which the Doors, everybody is gonna the Stones, the Doors, Hendrix, Dylan, they're all gonna reflect this, and so that's why this is such a particularly useful thing. And also, it's you can see how charismatic Hendrix was, and why people fell for him, and rightly so. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I mean, he was amazing. Yeah, amazing, and that's why it's so hard to, the same thing with Jim Morrison of the Doors. These are remarkable creators, and that they have to burn out. And this was part of the argument about the artists of this time, was that there was sort of a death cult, apparently, that you as the one of the Clarence says in True Romance, another Tarantino script, live fast, die young, leave a good-looking corpse. And that's the Amy Winehouse, clearly also subscribed to this notion that, she was not going to get past the sort of famous age 27, when I guess Morrison died, Hendrix died, Winehouse, Kurt Cobain, I guess he was, I don't remember. So many, there are just so many deaths in this obviously very difficult world to survive.